Hey guys, Harold here with Signals Everywhere. Today we have a very special guest presenter, Jason at KM4ACK, who will be doing a video for you on the APRS to SMS gateway. Very interesting project that allows you to send messages back and forth between the APRS network and SMS on any cell phone. So you don't want to miss this. After the video, be sure to take a look in the links in the description below. I will have a link back to Jason's channel. He's an amateur radio operator who makes a ton of very good, high quality content around amateur radio communications and how the Raspberry Pi can be used for digital radio communications as well. So lots of great content, and without further ado, take it away, Jason.
Harold, thank you for that awesome introduction. Hey guys, I'm Jason, KM4ACK. Often when we think about APRS and the APRS system, we only think about vehicle tracking. But there's so much more to APRS than tracking vehicles. We can use it for a lot of cool things. So let's say you're into backpacking and you find yourself in the backcountry. Or maybe you're into off-roading and you find yourself miles from the nearest town and the nearest cell phone signal. Or maybe it's a natural disaster that's taken out cellular phone coverage in your area. Did you guys know you can use a regular APRS capable HT to send a message to somebody's cellular device? They don't even have to be a ham radio operator to receive that message. Stick around and we'll show you how that's done. Okay, so to make things a little bit easier for you guys to see what's going on, we're actually going to transition over to my Raspberry Pi, and that is connected to my 857. So everything is going out over RF. We're not using the internet, to get to the local gateway here. So you can either build a setup like this to interact with APRS, or you can use any HT that has APRS built in. But for the demo today, I'm going to come up here to Messages and click Send to Message, which will open this dialog box where we're ready to send out our first message. So to send a message to someone's mobile device, what you're going to do for the station call, where you would normally put somebody's call sign, we're going to use SMS GTE, Sierra Mike Sierra Golf Tango Echo. And then in your message line, you're going to put the @ symbol and their telephone number. So we'll go ahead and enter Signals Everywhere telephone number here. And then you're going to give it a space, and you're going to type your message. So we'll just say, hello from KM4ACK. And we'll go ahead and hit that send button.
Let me get a message here. Let's see. Hello from KM4ACK. There we go. Hi Jason, how are you?
And as you can see, there's the reply coming back in. So as you can see, APRS can be used for much more than vehicle tracking. And the next time you find yourself disconnected from the cell phone grid, now you know how to send a message back to a regular cellular device. Now you should also make sure you check out the SMS GTE website. Once you log in over there, you can create aliases for phone numbers, so you don't have to put somebody's phone number in, but you could just maybe put their call sign. So where the @ symbol goes, instead of the phone number, I could say put @KR0SIV to reach Signals Everywhere. And I want to say thank you to Harold for inviting me onto the channel today to share this information with you guys. He's also done one that's released today on my channel, so make sure you head over there and check that out as well. And give this video a thumbs up before you head off. Alright guys, we will see you on the next video. Until then, 7-3.